It was a calm and peaceful day. I was working on my drawing. I was taking a sip of my fine coffee till the goddamn coffee spilt on my goddamn drawing. And then it left an undeniably interesting mark. A mark interesting enough to have about 3 values: the dark part, the more of a medium part, and the light part of amazing brown. And then after that goddamn mark was made, I decided I should try painting with coffee. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Let's get into it. First, we have a sketch right here, and we need to transfer this sketch right over here. So we're gonna
make the moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
Okay, so at this point, I painted for like a couple minutes, and honestly, I wasn't liking it that much. I just felt like giving up. Like, this is no joke. I felt like giving up. I just didn't like it. But then I just remembered, or maybe should I say, I just thought of a quote that reminded me of just never giving up and always going. I just thought to myself, art is an amazing way to expresso yourself. Get it? Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. But yeah, I almost gave up, and I have to say I am really proud of how this turned out. I just painted with coffee for the first time, and here's the reveal.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, which you do, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and like this video. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see next, and see you in the next video.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.